everyone, it's Joy here, and I am super excited to share these really cute carrot treat boxes with you. So let's show you what we're working with. We've got the little fruit container, you've got your little filling. This is the Bunny Bait Sentiments, the iconic Easter die, and the itty bitty tags die. You have the carrot treat box. I'm using candy corn, fruit punch, jelly donut, and banana cream pie. Inks and paper, and then we have Oreo and Toffee inks. I'm going to start by using the Take Two stencil to add some detail to our little container here that's going to hold our carrot treat boxes. I'm using Toffee ink and bitty blender brushes, and I'm just going to go around each side and stencil this. I'm butting the top of the stencil up to the little lip on the container here. And then here it's what it looks like on all four sides, so it adds a little something extra. Then I have die cut the carrot treat box. I actually made 8 carrots. I'm just going to show you the 4, but I did rainbow carrots because number 1, they're pretty, and number 2, they're delicious. So this is the banana cream pie, cardstock, and ink. So I'm doing tone on tone using that Take Two stencil and adding polka dots to these carrot treat boxes. I thought that would be so cute. Then we have fruit punch, jelly donut, and candy corn. So I'm going to finish stenciling these guys. Then I'm going to use some score tape on the little tab that you have here. This is what's going to basically adhere the sides together. This is super easy. I decided to use score tape because it will hold immediately. You could use liquid glue, but because I made a lot of these, I wanted to use a score tape or a double-sided tape. I'm going to fold away from myself on all of the score lines, remove the release paper, tuck that little tab under the other side, and here you have your basic carrot shape. I'm going to do this for all of these. Then we have our carrot toppers that are die cut from pea pod cardstock, and I'm going to add a little bit of glue around the holes and line it up on the front part of the carrot treat box. I'm going to fold the other 2 sides down. You can adhere those together, but I put a Hershey Kiss in here when this wasn't adhered and it held in place. Then I'm taking some jute or some twine, whatever, and I'm starting on the back. I'm pulling a piece through each side, pushing it through the front hole. So starting on the back, pushing it through the front. I'm going to pull it tight. I'm going to tie it once, and I can kind of pull the front to the back, and then I'm going to do one more little knot, and this holds it perfectly together. I'm going to trim the excess off, and I will do that for all of my carrots. Then we have the iconic Easter die, and the Easter bunny comes with the egg, and then you have a chick that comes with this little tag. So I'm going to use the Easter bunny die cut from Toffee cardstock, and then I'm going to do a little bit of ink blending with Toffee ink and a bitty blender brush. And then I will die cut that tag from the pea pod cardstock as well. I'm going to stamp the Bunny Bait sentiment from the Bunny Bait Sentiments. I just thought it was kind of funny and cute, but there's quite a few sentiments that you could add. I'm stamping that with Oreo ink. I'm going to take that same jute and I'm going to tie it around the bunny's neck. This is what's going to hold our tag. And then I'm going to tie another knot, and then I will slide that tag through. And I liked the green. I wanted to bring in a little bit more green from the carrot top since we have all of that other wonderful color from the cardstock. I'm going to tie one more knot to hold this in place, and then I can trim the excess off. I want to attach this to the front of our little carrot container here, so I'm going to use some liquid glue because I know that that will stay on. But while it's drying, I'm going to hold it in place with some reverse tweezers just until that glue dries. And I will add a little bit of glue underneath the tag as well. Now I'm going to add my carrots in here and add the little filling. This looks like grass, but it's like the cardboard, you know, toffee color kind of filling. I'm going to add this in after my carrots. I want it to be able to kind of hold my carrots apart. I think these would be really cute if you had some sort of little Easter party or something and you could have this on your table. You could have multiples of these because it really does go fast. Putting these together, die cutting, it really does go fast. But having these as centerpieces on your table, and then your guests could take one home because it would be filled with treats. Obviously, it can be filled with way more than one Hershey Kiss or whatever because it's quite large, so it works out really nice. Let's take a look at this up close. I just think these are so darling. I absolutely love these. Thank you guys so very much for stopping by and watching. I hope that you enjoyed this project and I hope you feel inspired. You can find all of these products at the Tailored Expressions web store at tailoredexpressions.com.